Warm welcome and safe, productive journey. I'm Isaac, your English tutor, and I'll teach you for today how to manipulate your accent. If you know English and you don't know how to manipulate your accent, I'll tell you the secrets of accents for today. So let me start now and stay with me. For today, we will talk about session subtitles here. In these sessions, we will deal with many subtitles and topics such as the importance of accents, 2. Techniques of English accents, 3. Differences of accents, 4. Secrets how to manipulate your accent. So the fourth one is the result of the previous three items. Okay, so the fourth one will be important for you. Will be important how to manipulate and how to take an accent for yourself. Okay, either American, Indian, British one. So we will see that. Let's complete now. The first question for everyone maybe think about, which is the importance of accent or the importance of accents. The first, I'll ask about something which is how many accents are there in English language? So I have to know the accents first in order to take one or choose one of them. Let me say some facts for you, or let me count some facts for you. There are more than 1,800 million people speak English as a second language, and you are among them. The fact number 2, the number of accents is not specified anymore. And why? I'll tell you why. The answer is so easy. Imagine that we have a mom from Manchester plus a dad from Liverpool and they got married, okay? So after that they will have a kid which has an accent mixed into or for two cities, from Manchester and from Liverpool. So it will be a mixed accent for this kid. After that, I'll tell you, and I'll give you the list of the most important accents in the world. Let me count. Number 1, the British accent. 2, American accent. 3, Canadian accent. 4, Australian accent. 5, Indian accent. And we have many accents, but these are the most important accents. Let me complete now. If I ask which accent is the best all over the world? So the answer is easy. This is my point of view. This is my opinion. The British accent is the best. Why? Look, because you need more efforts to get the British accent first. You will be clearer in your speech. 2, and it depends on your style. 3. What do you mean, sir, by it depends on your style? So imagine that you are looking at the mirror, okay, and you are just talking English. And by this scene, you will discover that the American accent is good for me or the British accent is good for me. So it depends on your style. Okay. Give me examples. I'll give you examples about pronouncing and about writing and about even using words or sentences. Number 1, example 1, pronouncing here. Look at the British accent and the American accent, okay? The British accent and the American one. And after this session, you will discover that which one is suitable for you. Yeah, number 1, I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. So this is the British accent. What about the American accent? I need a glass of water. I need a glass of water. Example 2, about writing here. The British accent. The left doesn't work. The left doesn't work. The American one. The elevator doesn't work. The elevator doesn't work. Let me complete now. Example 3, reduction, how to reduce the words here. The British accent, they don't like reduction here. They don't use reducing, okay? Either if you are using the slang one. Yeah. So the British accent will be, where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? But for the American one, where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? Where are you gonna go? The British accent, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? The American one, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Let me complete. If I have another question, which is, which accent is more dominant all over the world? Yeah. Okay, first, let's think about that deeply. How can we know that this or that accent is more dominant? The answer is so easy. We can extract the importance of accent from media, movies, songs, and currency. So if you look now, so what kind of currency is the most dominant all over the world? You will see the dollar. What about movies? You will find that the American movies are the most dominant all over the world. Let me complete. Shall I master an accent? This is a question for yourself. Shall I master an accent? Shall I take an accent for myself? The answer yes. And why? I'll give you the answer. Because without an accent, you will get English without any beautiness. And I mean that how to make your English language attractive is by your accent. So taking an accent for yourself is just making your English more attractive for yourself and for the others. Because the others, when they hear you or when they listen to you, okay, they will find that your English is really attractive because of your accent. I'll give you examples. And examples without accents, and the other example will be with an accent. Look here, without an accent. I want to live in the downtown in Britain. This is without an accent. But if it comes an accent with it, it will be like this. I want to live in the downtown in Britain. I want to live in the downtown in Britain. I want to live in the downtown in Britain. Great, this is with an accent here. Let me complete. Example 2. The difference will be in pronunciation. Look, this is without an accent. I went to America to get the American accent. Without an accent here. I went to America to get the American accent. But look at the second example. It will be with an accent. I went to America to get the American accent. I went to America to get the American accent. So it's more attractive. Example 3. Pronouncing the words. How to pronounce the words. Look, the same word, once with an accent and the other will be without an accent. First, I will start without an accent, of course. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. But with an accent, it will be like more attractive. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. Let me complete. If I get a master on a certain accent, shall I be acquainted with other accents? I will be more simple or simpler. It will be like this. If I take an accent for myself, okay? So, shall I know the other accents? The answer is absolutely yes. And why? Imagine that you get, for example, a British accent, okay, for yourself, and you have a tourist from USA, and he wants to invite you for dinner and asks like this. So, what is your schedule in the evening? I mean here speaking, not writing, because writing you will know the word, but I mean speaking. So he will pronounce schedule, 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 okay? You will not get it, even if you are perfect in the British accent. Why? Because this word, schedule, in British pronunciation, it's different from the schedule or schedule in American accent. Example 2. The British accent will be like this. I want to go to the city center. I want to go to the city center. The American accent, they don't have city center, they have downtown. So it will be like this. I want to go to downtown. So it's really different for you, and you will face maybe some obstacles for understanding the other side. Thank you very much.